Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What is NPM and why we need it? So NPM is JavaScript package manager. NPM comes built in with JavaScript, so you don't have to install it separately. It has many thousands of packages in it available for installations. So it's similar to like Maven in Java, right? It's a package manager. We will be using NPM to install Cypress. This is just another package inside the NPM repository. Now the question is why we need Package.json. NPM need to identify, better word would be register the fact that Cypress is installed in our system or in the test folder. And it does it inside the package.json file. If we want to understand it further, the package.json file contains descriptive and functional metadata about a project, such as a name, version, and dependencies. The file provides the NPM package manager with various information to help identify the project and handle dependencies. This is why we need the package.json file.